Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching and showing some response in my previous video which was regarding the CyberArk introduction, and we have for privilege access management we have completely focused on CyberArk product. But thing is not that only CyberArk is available in the market for PAM solution. There are a number of tools, you can say applications that is used for cyber security or privilege access management under the IAM domain. Other applications are also available, just like Thycotic, Beyond Trust. You can consider Delinea. You can consider Archon. Arcos product also available for privilege access management. And the main competitor in the market for the CyberArk is you can consider as a Archon or Arcos. Archon or Arcos and CyberArk is having little bit same UI. Here you can say PVWA, and they are having the same UI, but somewhat changes in the tabs are there. So coming to the market recently, as per the recent news, also we have seen that CyberArk product is purchased by Palo Alto Services. So CyberArk is going to get a huge of big market. Whatever Palo Alto is having, that market can be gained by CyberArk in future. In current scenario also demand for CyberArk is there in the market. So the purpose of making this video just making you aware of the privilege access management products, and you have watched my first part, that is for CyberArk Overview Part 1. If you have not watched, I will provide that part link in the comment section. After watching this video, you can go in the comment section, or before watching this video, you can go in the comment section and watch that part for CyberArk Overview. Uh, that is regarding the PAM introduction. There we have explained everything. So, coming to the main part or main purpose, for what purpose we have recorded this today's session. The main purpose is to make the second part of this overview. So we have discussed till the part how IDs are managed, how password rotation works in CyberArk, and how the sessions are used, how accounts are onboarded, how accounts are secured, which accounts are secure. Everything is discussed in that part. In previous part, we have made some slides also, so that you can get clear-cut idea on the PAM solution, which is currently in demand in the current market scenario. You can see nowadays there is a huge job cut by companies also. Companies are making layoffs, but parallelly companies are hiring also. That is, we can say, the skill gap. Some of the companies are making layoffs for the skills also. As per their policies and as per their requirements, they are making the layoffs. We are not into that part. We will make separate video on that, why companies are making layoffs in current scenario, what exactly companies are expecting from freshers or candidate, whether they are expecting candidate should join in less CTC, or whether they are expecting a skilled candidate, whether they are removing skilled candidates with higher packages or not. That is a very big question nowadays in the market, in freshers' mind. So we are going to make clear-cut idea. Soon we are going to upload that video also, that is already recorded in our system. So coming to the previous access management part, there is another product. IAM is very friends. IAM is very big and vast domain in cyber identity security. Okay. Privilege access management or privilege identity management is a very small scenario you can see. Okay, IAM is a very vast. Privilege access management is a small part of that, where you can secure your privilege IDs whoever having elevated kind of access. Elevated kind of access means we have already discussed who can make changes in your system. Suppose one user is there, he can install anything in your system. He will come there. He is having access as an admin, and he can install a software or he can remove a software from your system which is already installed in the system. Those ID you can say, for example, just one example I have given regarding the privilege IDs which is having privilege access to change everything or anything in the system. So coming to the next part, how we are going to secure those IDs. So in CyberArk there is a one component called vault. So in that vault, your credential, suppose I am having one ID, I have joined one organization, and that ID's password I cannot rotate daily or I cannot change daily. So in CyberArk, you can put a password rotation policy in platform. Whatever policy is there, it could be for 24 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 45 days, 90 days. As per your requirement, you can put password rotation policy in CyberArk. So suppose I am having one ID, but manually what will happen, friends? I will forgot to change my password for my ID. Suppose that whatever my account is there, AD dot, PR dot, or whatever as per organizational requirements, my name is Sri Krishna Gogri, SG dot employee ID or something, whatever account is there. So I will not be able to change that on daily basis. So what CyberArk does here, there is one component vault where we store all these credentials, and there is one component which is responsible for the password changing called as CPM. So what CPM does? CPM is responsible for changing the password. This is the you can say this is one type of system. This is own system designed by CyberArk. Every component is having its own task. You can say assigned task. Suppose CPM is has given one task to change the password. So this is one of the tasks which what I am saying. Main task is to change the password for CPM. So and another component, PSM task. For PSM, main task is to connect to the components or act as a terminal server for connecting other servers for the users. So PVWA is a component. What is the main task of PVWA? Login, user login activities. So user will be authenticated there, and user will be logged into the PVWA section. One UI is provided. As per UI, you can check that whether that particular server's access is there for your ID or not, and you can connect to that particular server. If access is given in the CyberArk, that come again, that will come in internal policies. If your ID is having access to that particular server, then you will be able to connect. Here internal policies comes in picture. What some organization does, they directly onboard the server in PWA part and directly access given to the particular IDs, and IDs are able to connect through CyberArk only. They are authenticated, they are connected through CyberArk only. But some of the organization what does at backend, IDs are getting authenticated through LDAP. You know what is LDAP? LDAP is a protocol. There are two types, LDAP-S and LDAP. LDAP-S, in interviews also we are being asked what are the protocols for LDAP. and LDAP is. So at that time, you can answer accordingly. LDAP is a secure. Okay, and LDAP is not a secure kind of protocol you can consider. So it is a lightweight directory access protocol, an open vendor neutral industry standard protocol used for accessing and managing distributed directory information services over an IP network. So the protocol typically using port 389 for standard traffic or 636 for secure LDAP or LDAP-S. That is, we can say. So working how LDAP works, common use cases of the LDAP. That detailed video we are going to make one series of videos on that. We will make those videos. Main today's purpose, going in detail for the component called as vault. Vault is the component which is installed in the environment, and sequence wise, if you can see, we have to first install the vault only. Okay, then other components comes in the picture. While upgrading also, main component we have to start upgradation from the vault only. So we are going to see some features regarding the vault. Please watch my video till end. We will make you aware of the all the things how vault works, what are the security standard of the vault and all those things. So here main picture comes why CyberArk. Okay, why CyberArk only and why not other networks? CyberArk Palo Alto Networks company, it is already purchased by the Palo Alto Networks. So it is going to get a big market. Their main purpose in the news we have seen that their main purpose to integrate is to fight with the AI. See, AI is making progress. Okay, day by day, AI is having his own standards. As AI is used for good purposes, bad people AI is using for bad purposes also. Every day they are also modifying AI for attack. What AI can do in attack, how we can attack the front company or front person using AI automatically. That is also big challenge in companies nowadays. We have seen multiple examples with AI also. Just they took zero point 0.6 seconds or some take 6 minutes to hack the front person's PC. So here Palo Alto and CyberArk mainly, as per my information, they are going to make some changes accordingly so that fight with AI also. And AI attacks also in future, though AI attacks comes, they can make some fight with them. Okay, so we will come to our main part, CyberArk Vault. So CyberArk Vault, what is Vault? Vault is a highly secure, hidden repository used in privileged access management (PAM) to store and manage sensitive credentials and secrets, often structured into logical units called safes. Okay, what is a safe, how safe work, what is exactly stored inside the safes. We'll discuss it later on. We are going to granularly distribute the things. Safe is a separate part. It can be made a separate videos on safes, how safe works, how access is given inside the safes and all those things. So Vault, it acts as the core of the CyberArk. I have already said that core of the CyberArk or main component of the Vault is, CyberArk is Vault. offering tamper-proof auditing, hierarchical encryption, and high availability options to protect against unauthorized access. Key aspects of CyberArk Vault. Okay, security architecture, SAFEs, those are logical units. Core functionality, secure storage, tamper-proof auditing, access control, deployment options, components, and high availability. So, friends, we are going to see the Vault component in detail in next video. Video should not go long, so we are trying to make short videos. And thank you for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel. We are going to expect a good growth in future also. Thank you for watching.